My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Ball. In honor of the Incredibles 2 movie, today, I'll be teaching you how to make a chocolate chip cookie. Cupcake! I made this cupcake specially for Jack Jack. Jack Jack, num num cookie! Oh, hi Jack Jack! I got you a chocolate chip cookie! Just kidding, it's a cupcake! Jack Jack! Jack Jack! Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to be the first to know when a new video comes out. Also include creator posts. And make sure to check my community tab for exclusive YouTube creator content. What you're gonna need to make this chocolate chip cookie cupcakes is 1 1/4 cup of flour, half a cup of milk, half a cup of cookie butter, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste, 3/4 cup of chopped chocolate chips, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of packed dark brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Now let's make some cookie cupcakes. Let's get started! First, we sift our flour, baking powder, and salt into a bowl. 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, and we measure out half a teaspoon of salt. And then we give it a little sift. And then we set the dry ingredients aside. The next step is we cream our butter, our sugar. What's this? The next step is we cream our butter, our sugar, our dark brown sugar, our vanilla bean paste, and our cookie butter into a large bowl. I like using vanilla bean paste because it tastes like ice cream. My other secret ingredient is using cookie butter. Cookie butter may look like peanut butter, but it actually tastes like cookies. We start with a stick of butter, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of packed dark brown sugar, and then we measure out 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. Wow, this smells so good. And then we measure out half a cup of cookie butter. And then we dump it into the bowl. And then we beat it on medium until it's light and fluffy. Once it's light and fluffy, we add our eggs 1 by 1. And then we add our second egg. And then we give it a little mix. Make sure to check the details below for the full recipe and instructions. Once you have your wet and your dry mixture, we alternate mixing our dry ingredients with the milk. Starting with 1/3 of the dry, we give it a little mix, half of the milk, and then we give it a little mix. We add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients, and then we give it a little mix. We add the rest of the milk, and then we give it a little mix. And then, we add the rest of our dry ingredients, but instead of beating it with a hand mixer, we give it a little whisk. Once you have your batter ready, we add 3/4 cup of chopped chocolate chips. And then we give it a little whisk. And then, using an ice cream scooper, we scoop our cupcake batter into our cupcake liners. And then we bake this for 16 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again next week.